Welcome back. It's been a minute. Long story short, Audi blew up. There's the motor, and I bought a Volvo. Got a little 240. Picked up this little junker for 900 bucks, and there's like, it's a clean title. There's actually barely any rust. This is just, I did a side, whatever, trim, delete, whatever side skirt. I don't even know. Did some body work on there. But one thing I wasn't happy with, it's got an open diff, so we get one wheel peels. So I went over to the junkyard and pulled this open diff out of a 83 240, and it'll go right in there. But tomorrow we're gonna weld this up, so we'll have a welded diff and can go sideways properly and have control. Yeah, bud.
Alright, that's yeah, dude. Dude, this is freaking sick. The welded diff. Alright, so this is what it's like with the welded diff. We got the backseat view, the front, we got all of this. But this is our drift spot. We're in Mexico right now. Like ripping up some donuts. We might have to throw the spares on. But this is sick.
Alright, so this is that one wheel that was super bald. It's throwing metal out. But luckily, we come back here. Oh, well, there's a bunch of crap in here, but under that we got 2 spares, so we're fine. All right, so we put the new spare on, but I would say this welded diff is a success. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's like you don't even really notice it when you're driving, especially unless you make like really sharp turns and it'll chirp a little bit. But other than that, it's like dailyable with it, especially with how strong it is. But we threw on the spare. I think that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for the next video. We're gonna lower it. See ya.